everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. In my last video, I showed you how to take vegetative pieces from sweet potato and put them in a vase to start to grow roots. But now I want to show you how easy it is to make air fryer sweet potato fries. And look, I know I'm not a cook, you don't tune into my videos to watch me in the kitchen, but I had a few people ask about this, and so I just thought since I'm in the process of making them, I might as well show you. So I just have a couple of sweet potatoes from my fall harvest, and I am gonna wash them thoroughly because they still have dirt on them. And then I am just going to kind of clean up any kind of ugly looking bits of skin. I'm not like super particular about getting all the skin off. I happen to like sweet potato fries with the skin. And then I'll show you the really simple process for getting them seasoned and oiled and then tossed into this magical machine that makes cooking so much easier than anything else. So as you can see, I have just cut the pieces of sweet potato into small fry-like sections, and I have left the skin on a lot of it because I really like that texture. You don't cook the sweet potatoes in advance, so you do all of this raw. And I'm just gonna toss them into a bowl that comes with a lid so that it'll make shaking around the seasonings really easily. And basically, the air fryer is awesome because you don't need to use a lot of oil. So I'm just gonna apply like a little drizzle, and then I'm gonna do kind of, I don't know, that much salt. And one of my favorite seasonings is this chili and lime. And I'm just gonna put that on there, give it some extra spice. And then you just put the lid on, shake it up so that everything gets coated really nicely. And of course you can do these in batches. I still have 2 more potatoes to cut up so I can flavor them differently. So I'll probably do because I like doing sweet potato casings. Okay, now you can see that's well coated and it's time to put it into the air fryer. I have no idea about all the brands of air fryers. I bought this one because it's the one my parents had, and so that's the one I had used before. It's been really easy. You can put like tinfoil down. I haven't been doing that. This has not been difficult to clean at all, so I just kind of leave it. And I'm just going to dump these in, shake them around. You can definitely put more than this in at a time if you want it, but for sake of making a video. So you press that, and then you press the air fryer, and then you press start again. And it automatically sets for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Now you can adjust the temperature or the time. I have found that 15 minutes is right about the right amount of time for sweet potatoes, but it definitely depends on how much you have in the basket. So the great thing is you don't have to stop it or anything. You can just pull this out, shake it around, check them at any point during the cooking process, and it will just start back up. So I'm gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes, and then I will pull it out, toss them around, and see how much longer they need to cook. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut up the rest of my sweet potatoes. So I'm really starting to be able to smell them. Oh yeah, look at those. They're almost about ready. I actually got carried away with cutting up other sweet potatoes that I didn't check them at the 5-minute mark. I think these are cooked. They had 6 minutes more to go. So what does that mean? 8 minutes is the magic time? 9 minutes? I'm gonna let those cool, put them in a bowl. know from experience, don't turn this upside down because the middle insert comes out and it will burn you. I'm really good at doing things wrong. But I'll tell you, this air fryer sure does make cooking easy. And it's so delicious. Everything I've made in the air fryer has been awesome. So now I am gonna do my next batch. It is important to get everything out. I don't want one little piece to burn and make everything taste bad. Like right there. Okay, now I can put these in. I did these with salt and black garlic seasoning, so it'll be a little different. Keep it fun and exciting. Okay, so it's back on the timing setting from the last one with 6 minutes left. I'm just gonna up that to 9 minutes total, and that should actually be good. Now, I bet these have cooled off enough for me to give them a try. Oh, they are so good. They're just like the restaurant. And with that chili lime, you get kind of a nice tropical kick. Really, really like these. All right, I'm just gonna shake up this last batch, and I'm actually gonna wait to cook these until it's closer to dinner time. They can just sit in this bowl in the marinade, which again is just like a seasoning salt and a little bit of olive oil. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna treat myself to eating a few more of these. Oh, they are so good. And there's something extra special about eating something that you grew. You know, the story of these sweet potatoes started way back in April, and it just always makes me feel like what I'm doing is something that actually matters when I'm eating something that I've grown myself. Well, I hope that you will be inspired to make some sweet potato fries. If you don't have an air fryer, I have to say, I highly recommend it. I am very resistant to buying kitchen gadgets, but this is one that I wish I would have bought years ago. Let's check these. Oh, they're looking good. Oh, and they smell fantastic. That black garlic, top-notch seasoning. I'm gonna give these just about another minute or two, which I think is exactly how much time they have left. Yep, 2 minutes. And, well, I'm wishing you all the best, and I hope that your dinner is tasty just like mine. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.